VocalVibes AI. Hey there, welcome to my VocalVibes AI review. In this video, we are going to see exactly how this software works, the main features, and the pros and cons of this voice cloning approach. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. I've been doing this from home for well over 10 years now, which is really cool. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research VocalVibes AI reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description below. That's my number one system. It's a complete done for you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So check out that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So with VocalVibes AI, basically it's a voice cloning software app where you can upload your own voice and it will create a clone. Basically, you're training it up on an audio file you have, and it will create a clone of your voice, so you can just copy and paste scripts, create scripts within the software, and an AI voice, which is basically based on your voice, modeled on your voice, will speak the script. And where VocalVibes AI comes into it, it lets you train up the software to clone your voice, and then you can add different accents and emotions to more personalize the voiceover to make a better connection with your audience, to boost engagement and boost sales conversion rate to whatever it is you are promoting. So with internet marketing, I still think the best way is to use your own voice, manually record a video, and you can either show your own voice and face on the camera, or you can do a screen share video like I'm doing now, where you share your computer screen. You don't have to show your face, but then you naturally and manually speak in your real voice for the audio. I think that's one of the best ways to do it. It builds more trust and authority, and you're going to boost your sales conversion rates doing that, especially if you're recommending affiliate offers. Some people prefer doing these completely hands-off, faceless channels. So these voice cloning softwares and the AI voiceover systems will make a good fit for them. There's a slight contradiction between people who don't want to reveal their voice and people who want to clone their voice. So you would think the voice cloning software will be more aimed at people who don't want to clone their own voice because they like the privacy. So I don't see, if people are shy to manually record their own video, they're not going to want to clone their own voice. It's still their own voice speaking. So this is more for people who want the more hands-off, easy to generate lots of videos quickly, rather than people who want to hide the content of their own voice. I guess you could clone other people's voices. So you could hire a voiceover artist on Fiverr.com, for example, to read a script for you, take that voice and then use that to train VocalVibes AI on creating the mimic voice of a real person. So then you're just standing out from the crowd. You've got more natural AI voiceovers, which is based on a real voice that you've cloned, added in the accents and the emotions and the unique editing, which you can do as part of VocalVibes AI, just to make it stand out, and it's not the same robotic AI voiceover that lots of other people are doing. So you could do that. You don't have to train it on your own voice. You could train it on someone else's voice to create a unique voiceover artist. Some of the other features are you can actually use this for other languages. So if you're doing affiliate marketing and you want to promote a product in different geographical areas, you can convert your English script and voiceover into a different language. For example, you could convert an English affiliate marketing campaign into Portuguese, for example, and then just re-upload all this content in a different language and try and tap into these different geographical areas for your traffic and affiliate conversions. So there's different business models you can dive into with this software. Basically, in the members area, you get the choice of how to train up your voice. You can record your own voice in real time, and it will create a clone of that, or you can upload an audio file you already have, either of your own voice or another voice you want to clone. And then you've got a number of different editing tools where you can create your own unique voice from scratch, adding in the emotions and adding in the accents and just testing and tweaking until you've perfected the sound that you want. You've also got voice transcription services. You've got a video script generator using AI. You've got an audio mixer, so you can edit the voice, mix that in with background music. So there's lots of different tools available as part of VocalVibes AI. All in all, I think it's a cool software for people who want to clone their voice. I think the best way is to manually record videos uniquely one by one and not using AI and these mass tools to do it. But if you really want to go down the route of AI and the faceless YouTube channel approach, I think using a software to clone your own voice like VocalVibes AI is better than just using a generic as is robotic AI voice without any editing. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my review of VocalVibes AI. If you want to discover more about how I earn a full-time income online and my number one system to plug into right now for realistic online income, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my number one system. It's a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my VocalVibes AI review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.